Hi everyone, it's Lavinia and welcome. In today's video, we are going to be drawing a Zentangle. This one is called Pokescu by Anika Gabrovec. She is a CZT. She's also known as Zenlinia if you follow along with Zentangle. And she uses a lot of graphite and color and white charcoal. So I already drew it here in my secret garden journal because I had this little pocket which was gray, and I knew I wanted to use my white charcoal pencil, so I thought that this went perfectly. And today is Wednesday the 19th, and there was a squirrel by the bird feeder, so I added this little squirrel here. This is part of a template. I got this at, I think, Joann's when they were going out of business. So I use this little squirrel here. And then I drew the Pokescu and added some embellishments. So I am going to go ahead and draw that here on the front of this August calendar, which I got with my subscription box from Minutes of Zen. And I know we're a little bit behind today. We are at the 19th, but you know what? Might as well go ahead and do it. This is a very easy one. It's fun. Lots of ways to embellish it, as you can see here. So it's a combination of, if you've seen some other videos that I've done of poke leaf, poke heart, poke root. So it's that poke part and then fescue, and that's where Pokescu comes from. So what you're going to do, let me just make sure I am close enough. Just go ahead and start with drawing your first fescue. So just like that. And then you're just going to go ahead and give it an aura. So whichever side you want to go to. Maybe I will start mine here. And then I'm making that fescue little loop. And then from here or here, whichever one, you're just going to make another one. Now the leaf part is going to go above and beyond, but that's okay. I can make smaller ones. But you're just going to go ahead then, and this is like the poke leaf part. So you're just drawing the outside part, and you can make that as big as small as you want. And then of course embellish. So let's go ahead and make a smaller one just so it'll fit in here. So starting with this little fescue, maybe I'll make the second one here. And then I'm going to give it that aura with that third one. You can, of course, go ahead and put in more. But then you're just going to go ahead and you can give it that teardrop shape. You can, let's see, let's go ahead and make one inside just so that it'll fit. And that is Pokescu. Of course, you can go ahead and, like I said, embellish, add more. I'm going to add in some orbs here. You can use then your graphite to shade, white charcoal to highlight. You can use gel pens, metallic, matte, you know, however you'd like to embellish. And let's see, here in this one, I did add some of these orbs on top of the leaves or petals, as well as on top of the fescue, just because I do like the orbs. Maybe we can give it a little bit of ground. Add some more orbs here. And maybe there's another one here. So just have fun with this. They don't all have to be straight up and down. Maybe you want to thicken up this stem area and darken that. So this is just a quick rundown, and some of the designs that I did was just making some little curve shapes. So that'll give it a little bit of dimension. And as soon as I finish this one here on the card, I will go ahead and I'll show you here the one again that I did in the journal. So you can see that there's that curved one. This one here, I came up from the bottom and made the petals going this way, and then I darkened it in, and then I used a thicker brush and went over the line again. So that just thickened out the outside a little bit. And then I also darkened here this middle section. This one, so I have the two petals, and then what I just did, because I wanted to have it like it was folding over, so I just came this way and came down like that, and then here from the bottom I just added like that little pod shape to make it seem like it's closing in. This one I just did just a wiggly line and then added those dots. For this one I just added kind of like this little half circle, and then I just took the pen and just darkened in just the top and the bottom sections of that. So that is how I created that. I was going to show this on video, but my neighbor's landscaper started with the with the motor, so didn't get a chance to, but I just wanted to show you how I did these. So that again is Pokescu. I hope you give it a try. It's really a fun one to, I think, embellish, and really easy to to draw. So thanks so much for watching, everyone. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.